Hello everyone, myself Monica, head and assistant professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Huzur. Today we are going to see about cakes. Ingredients used for preparing cakes. There are two types of ingredients. One is essential and another one is optional. Essential ingredients include flour, sugar, shortening, milk, and egg. Optional ingredients include baking powder, flavorings, essence, fruits, nuts, cocoa powder, chocolate, cake improvers, and syrup. Methods of making cake. There are varieties of cake, and every variety or each variety require different methods of preparation. Such methods are sugar batter method, blending method, flour batter method, sugar water method, boil method, all in process method, and foaming method. Sugar batter method. In the sugar batter method, all the fat is creamed until it gets light and fluffy. Then sugar is added gradually, continuing the creaming process. Don't add all the sugar at a time. It will affect the aeration process and will take more time to achieve the desired result. After addition of sugar, liquids like egg, milk or water along with color and essence are being added and the creaming process is continued. After it gets velvety appearance, fruits of the choice are being added and it is folded. And finally, flour is being added and folded. Then it is poured in the mold and baked. Second method is flour batter method. In flour batter method, there are two stages. First stage is fat and equal quantity of flour is taken and creamed. In second stage, egg and equal quantity of sugar is taken and beaten well. And then stage 2 is mixed along with the stage 1 and remaining sugar and with liquids like water or milk is being added and finally flour is being added and folded well and then it is poured in the mold and baked. Third method is blending method. In blending method there are two stages. First stage is fat, flour, baking powder and salt are being creamed and the second stage is sugar, milk and liquids except the eggs are mixed together. After mixing all these ingredients, stage 2 is mixed along with the stage 1 and finally the eggs are being added and then the mixture is poured in the mold and baked. And the next method is boiling method. In the boiled method, butter or fat is heated with water till the boiling point is reached. After heating, remove from the fire and add 2/3 of the flour and mix it thoroughly. And beat the eggs and sugar until it becomes stiff and add color and essence. Then this mixture is added into the previous mixture gradually. It is mixed thoroughly and the remaining flour can be added at this stage. This method is used for making Madeira cakes and Geno's cake. And the next method is sugar water method. In the sugar water method, all the sugar and half quantity of water are aerated in the bowl till the sugar is dissolved completely. Then the remaining ingredients except egg are added and the mixture is well agitated to achieve aeration. Lastly, egg is added and the mixture is clear. Due to more aeration and better emulsification obtained in this method, the cakes so produced have better texture or longer shelf life. Next method is all-in process method. In all-in process method, all the ingredients are mixed together into the mixing bowl. Aeration of the mixture is achieved by controlling the speed of the mixture as well as the mixing time. Wire whip is used for this method because it ensures a fast breakdown of ingredients and it helps achieve good aeration. And the last method is foaming method. In this foaming method, beat the eggs till it becomes fluffy and frothy. During beating, the small air cells are incorporated into the mixture. This air incorporation helps increase the volume. Then add sugar gradually in continuous beating till it becomes thick and cream. The essence and color can be added at this stage. The flour should be sifted with baking powder and added with just necessary movements of the hand without disturbing the foam. If you give rough folding or uneven mixing, the incorporated hair will evaporate, then the finished product will be very poor quality and flat one. So this folding stage is very important. Cake faults and remedies. There are two kinds of faults that has been observed. One is external fault and another one is internal fault. External faults include crust too dark, too small cakes, a spot on cake, shrinkage of cake, cakes burst on top, cakes peak on top, cakes crack on top, crust too thick, crust too pale. And the internal fault include uneven texture, holes and tunnels, coarse and irregular grain, poor flavor, sinking of fruit, fruit cake crumbles when cut, pale crumb color, dense, poor keeping quality, and quick staling. Thank you.